website. And now you also learn how can you change the web text and image in the website, and see the dashboard of the website. And you can see all the pages are here. When I uh, cursor here, then you can see all pages are here. Like uh, about the author, about the book, contact me, home. Like you can see home, about the book, about the author, contact me. And I will tell you how to edit this page. Firstly, let's check. Click here. Click on the edit with Elementor. When you click here, the page is opening. It's opening, and the page is open. And now this is the header side and this is the footer side, and you can't change from here. I will tell you next video how to change the header and footer. And see the section, this is the section. And you, when you click here, then you can see the section are here. The name of section will be a left side of sidebar, you can see. And when you click here, all the settings are open in the left side, like style, advanced, and layout of this section. And when I click here, I am going to I want to change the background of this section. And when I click here, sorry, it's a sorry. uh, I want to change the background color of this section. And click here, and I am going to style. You can see I am changing the background of this section like this. And this is the background. You can change something like this. And if you want to change the text, or if you want to change the color of the heading, like I'm going to change, and like this, like this, you change something like this. And if you want to change the heading like this, if you click and you want to delete and add something, add like click here, yeah, like this. And same action will be work here, same. And if you want to add more, and this is the heading, you can see this is the, when you click here, when you click this element, you can see the left side, you can see heading. And if you click here, you can see text editor and paragraph something. And this is the also heading, you can see like this. And if you want to change this, this is the header and this is the footer. If you want to change this header, or if you want to change your name, you can change. I am going to back dashboard. And this is the, you can see this is the elements kit. And going to header and footer, you can see here footer, and this is the header. This is the top area of the website, you can call header. And this is the uh, downside of the web page, you can see footer, like this. This is the footer side, and this is the header side. Now I'm going to footer. When I click here, command plus T, the footer is opening. You can see this is the, if you want to change mail, then you can change from here like this. Like this, when I click here, you can see this is the icon box, and you want to change, and you can change from here. And this is the social icon. If you for example, if you want to change, if you want to add Instagram here, then you can click here. This is the duplicate. Click here is duplicate. Click here, and search here Instagram. You can see add. And if you want to remove, then click here. It's moved. And this is the footer. That's it. Thank you. If you want to any problem, you can message us. We will solve as soon as possible.